This cannot be a home, this temporary camp of mud and fear. The children huddled around a makeshift fire, sunken eyes above white masks. They do not laugh, cannot play. We fled the soldiers, the bombing. We can't flee COVID. We live in tents, all cramped together, cold and exhausted. It's like living in a graveyard. Time is all we have now. It ticks.
The sun goes down in Idlib on a hungry, freezing night, but there's nothing there to feed them, and you know that can't be right. What can parents do there? It's no man's land of pain. How can they raise a child there? This place is inhumane. This place is inhumane. Room to move in Idlib. No privacy or space. Few medicines or doctors. The fear shows in their face. No soap to wash their hands with. No coats to keep them warm. Nothing can be strategized to keep them safe from harm. When we are free, when we are free, there will be no mothers crying on the day that we are free. As Idlib's campfires burn, refugees don't know which way to turn. No safety can they find due to evil done by mankind. Women and children suffer again and again, forever feeling their terrible pain for those they loved and lost. And all for what cost? All for what cost? Wheelchair old and broken, stuck beneath the dirt. The children try to fix it, the old man sees no word. Rising out of his chair, the old man returns to his tent. When you're living amongst the rubble, you're trapped, so just relent. When we are free, oh, when we are free, there will be no mothers crying the day that we are free. Compressed cement and canvas tents, a landscape you've grown accustomed to. We hear you
cry an echoed lament. What is there that we can do? To them nothing matters but power and money. They'll crush all who get in their way. And by a bad hand of birth and geography, your home is the board on which they play. The board on which they play. Remember the refugee. Remember the refugee. They are no different to the likes of you and me. Not traveled with ill intent, not after your charity. That's why you gotta see, you really gotta see. When we are free, when we are free, there will be no mothers crying on the day that we are free. When we are free, when we are free, there will be no mothers sighing on the day that we are free. Freedom, birds versus borders. Freedom.